Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to send money overseas using Revolut. It's very simple process. How to send? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a demonstration. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all, you need to open here Revolut application. This is my Revolut application and currently I have this amount of balance, but how to transfer internationally? I transfer several transactions here. Look at this here, 5,000 Danish krona, 5,000 Danish krona and 10,000 Danish krona even. So how to transfer from one country to another country? It's very simple and you can receive the money accordingly within a 1 hour from like Denmark to India also. So transfer point of view, you need to tap here the bottom of the screen. Transfer button is available, so just simply tap. After that, here you already created some of the account number or not. If not created, you just simply tap here and accordingly Revolut friend, bank transfer, card recipient or any other group. Revolut friends, all lists are available here and some of the bank related information. I added here some of the my bank related accounts and look at this here. If you want transfer like a bank account, so you just simply tap here. Look at this here, individual or business. So if you send here the individual, the which country your recipient is living, so many countries are available for the transferring money from one country to another country. That is an interesting tips. India, I just simply select here India. Currency, of course in Indian rupees I am receiving, and after that you need to add here account number, ISB code, IFSC code, first name, middle name, last name and email address, and then after add the recipient. So after complete this adding the account recipient, you just simply tap here transfer and the list is not coming here. You just simply again press new, scroll down, bank related informations are available. Look at this, this is my bank account. If I tap here, so look at this, a recipient related information is coming. After that I want send some money, just simply tap here send. So here you select first of all the currency. I select here three currency, different currency, because of sometimes I am receiving euro, Danish krona and Indian rupees. I have 100 Danish krona in my bank account. I want send some of the money. If I select here 1000 INR, I want require in my Indian account. I want require in my Indian account. So that amount I am receiving same day, arriving day. If I tap here continue, Revolut, payment reason, family support. If I continue, look at this here, all informations are available. Trust you always. Fees is absolutely zero, no fees. If I send here, so look at this, you are transferred to Sangram Singh Kaite and minus on the way is today. Completed this process and wait couple of seconds. Same day I am receiving this amount. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.